These are very unprecedented times that we are living through. And what is happening in Gauteng and in KwaZulu-Natal is absolutely unacceptable and very, very tragic. However, let's dwell on how to fix things and how to get our affected salons up and running as fast as possible. Because if there is one thing that these terrible times have done, they have brought out so much of the best in people and so much of the helpfulness and the generosity and the support and what it will take to get things back to normal and hopefully to a better normal as soon as possible. Hairnews is going to coordinate the effort of helping salons who've been affected. So if your salon is one of those, or if you would like to offer help, please will you email beth@hairnews.co.za. That's beth@hairnews.co.za. Please state your area. If you're an affected salon, please tell us what you need and in what order. Maybe you need some things urgently, maybe you need a new place to work from, maybe you need a hairdryer or towels just to get up and running again. Whatever it is, give us a wish list, give us your contact details. If you can help, please again state your area and what you can offer in terms of help. If you would like to generally help, that's great. If you have something specific in mind, maybe you can offer products, equipment, you've got a spare chair, or maybe you have space that you would like to share with someone. Maybe you can offer transport, maybe you can offer help in shop fitting or cleaning. Whatever it is, please state that. As soon as things are safe and back to normal, we will then try to marry up our two lists and ensure that the salons who get help can get it as soon as possible so that you can be up, running, and back to as close to normality as possible to help your clients. We really feel for you in this time. We are looking to help. These times will not last. In the meantime, be aware of what you're putting on social media. Don't spread fake news. Check news before you share it. And salons, even in these turbulent moments, are still leaders that the community looks to. If your salon can help to provide calm leadership and positivity in these times, it will be extremely valuable. So bear that in mind when you're posting, because what you're saying can really uplift and help a community that is very fearful, very unsure, and is looking to their role models and their icons of the community for guidance. In the meantime, let's get the salons help. Please email beth@hairnews.co.za and let's get things rolling. Thank you. Please stay safe. Look after yourselves. These times will pass. Better times will come. We will all work to make sure they happen as soon as possible.